Merry Christmas, everyone. May this season bring to us all lots of joy and happiness. May we celebrate this Christmas with good health. So, for breakfast this morning, I'll be cooking this my Ugbogulu with sweet potatoes. So, after washing it, I used my kitchen knife to open up the Ugbogulu. Then, this is the inside, and I removed the seed. This is the first one, so I'll do the same thing on the other half. So after removing the seed, I will now cut it, then I will recut it into smaller shapes, getting ready to cook it. So this ubogolo, I have already washed it very well off camera, and this is the second one. I'm also doing the same work on this second one, and after doing it, I'll go ahead and recut it again. So the reason for cutting it into these smaller sizes is for it to cook very fast. And after cutting it, I place it very well in my pot, and I added water to it. So this is the water that I'll be using to cook it. I added enough water because sometimes it will take a longer time to get done. After this now, I will cover it and allow it to cook till done. So after waiting for some time now, I will come back to check on it to know if it is properly cooked. And yes, here I am. You can see how delicious my ubogulu is already looking. So I bring it out from the pot using my cooking spoon. And here is my already peeled and washed sweet potatoes. This is the potatoes that I'll be using to turn the ubogulu. So I added salt, then I will cover my potatoes to cook. And here I've come back to check on it. I used my kitchen knife to touch it a bit, and you can see that it is now 100% cooked. So I will bring it out from the pot as well. Then I'll set it aside. Now it's time for me to start working on my obogle. So I transferred it inside my mortar. Then I will be using this my pistol to pound it very well. So this is the process you must go through if you want to cook it using this method that I am using now. But if you don't want to do it this way, you can skip it and eat it like that. So after pounding it, I put it inside my bowl, then I set it aside. In my pot now, I added my red palm oil. I added enough of it, allowed it to get hot very well. So I went in with my already sliced onion. I fried it very well, then I added my salt, my seasoning cube, all these things is to taste. I also turned it, then I went in with my already pounded ogboglu. So this is it here. So I will mix everything together and make sure it incorporates. Then after that, I will go in with my already cooked sweet potatoes, and this is it here. So right here, I am almost getting to the finishing point of this my food. So after adding my sweet potatoes, I will turn everything very well. And after turning it, I will check for my salt and I adjust it if necessary. So this is me here checking for my salt. Then I added a little of the salt again. I will now cover it and allow it to heat up very well. So after some times, I'll come back to check on it. And you can see that my food is 100% cooked now. So I'll just give it a little stir, then I'll check it again for the last time before dishing out the ones that I'll be eating. So without wasting much time, I tested this my food and the test was giving 100/100 minus nothing. So I went straight to dish out the ones that I'll be eating, and after that I brought my camera closer to my plate to show you guys what I have in there. So this is how my food is looking. Hope I tried. Now rate my food from 1 to 100. Thank you all for watching.